Stroll's seatbelt stretched 41 millimeters during Abu Dhabi impact, 5 millimeters beyond safety limit. Aston Martin's crash data from Stroll's 2021 Abu Dhabi practice revealed concerning safety restraint performance. His 6-point harness stretched 41 millimeters during the 24G deceleration, exceeding the FIA's 36 millimeter maximum elongation standard by 5 millimeters before arresting his movement. Impact telemetry showed his survival cell flexing 16 millimeters laterally, approaching the structural limits of carbon fiber monocoque design. His helmet registered forces of 26 G for 0.13 seconds, approaching thresholds where specialized medical evaluation typically becomes necessary. Most concerning, slow-motion footage captured his helmet rotating 26 degrees relative to his shoulders, a movement exceeding safety certification parameters by 18%, despite all